Secretary Clinton, last night you cited the Concord Monitor when you said of Senator Sanders that, quote, it's very hard to see how any of his proposals could ever be achievable. So please tell us why you think if he's elected president on a platform of promising things like free public college and universal health care, that he cannot achieve those things.
Well, let me start by saying that Senator Sanders and I share some very big progressive goals. I've been fighting for universal health care for many years. There is no disagreement between us on universal coverage for health care. Senator Sanders and I share the same goal. We want to get to universal health care coverage. I fought really hard. The insurance companies and the drug companies spent millions against me. I know what it's like to go up against the status quo and special interests. It is just not achievable.
And one of the things we should do is not only talk the talk, but walk the walk. We have 29 million people today who have zero health insurance. We have even more who are underinsured. Every major country on earth, whether it's the UK, whether it's France, whether it's Canada, has managed to provide health care to all people as a right, and they are spending significantly less per capita on health care than we are. So I do not accept the belief that the United States of America can't do that. I do not accept the belief that the United States of America and our government can't stand up to the rip-offs of the pharmaceutical industry, which charge us by far the highest prices in the world for prescription drugs. Everybody understands that we need a well-educated workforce.
I also believe in affordable college, but I don't believe in free college, because every expert that I have talked to says, look, how will you ever control the cost?
This is 2016. When we talk about public education, it can no longer be K through 12th grade. I do believe that public colleges and universities should be tuition-free.
Every expert that I have talked to says, look, how will you ever control the cost?
Well, how do we pay for that? It's an expensive proposition. I do believe that we substantially lower student debt in this country, which is crushing millions of people. We pay for it, in my view, by a tax on Wall Street speculation. The middle class bailed out Wall Street in their time of need. Now it is Wall Street's time to help the middle class. Millions of Americans are giving up on the political process. And they're giving up on the political process because they understand the economy is rigged. They are working longer hours for lower wages. They're worried about the future of their kids. And yet almost all new income and wealth is going to the top 1%. And then sustaining that rigged economy is a corrupt campaign finance system undermining American democracy, where billionaires, Wall Street, corporate America, can contribute unlimited sums of money into super PACs and into candidates.
Yes, of course, we have special interests that are unfortunately doing too much to rig the game.
Millions of people come together and say loudly and clearly,
enough is enough. Our job together is to end a rigged economy, create an economy that works for all, and absolutely overturn Citizens United, one person, one vote. That's what American democracy is about.